ഹലോ, എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം? സുഖം എല്ലാവർക്കും. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മളുള്ള എവിടെയാണെന്നറിയോ? ഊട്ടി കണ്ട ഊട്ടി എന്താ വ്യൂ, അടിപൊളി വ്യൂ. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മളുള്ളത് ഒരു ബെഞ്ച് മാർക്കിൻ്റെ ടീ പ്ലാന്റിലാണ്. ടീ പ്ലാന്റും പിന്നെ ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്നൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ കാണാം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പോയി കണ്ടാലോ? എന്നാവാം ഉണ്ടാവും. അതിന് നേരെ മുമ്പ് ഇവിടെ നിന്നുള്ള ഒരു വ്യൂ, അസാധ്യ വ്യൂ, സൂപ്പർ വ്യൂ കേട്ടോ. ഈ വ്യൂ കണ്ടിട്ട് നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം.
Harvested with ripe yellow. These pods are broken, fermented, and sun-dried and shipped to the processing center. Chocolate is a preparation of roasting of cocoa bean, breaking the cocoa beans and removing plastic kernels. That's the benchmark chocolate factory. Cocoa tree in India is an intercropping plant, and these cocoa pods are harvested with ripe yellow. These pods are broken, fermented, and sun-dried and shipped to the processing center. Chocolate is a preparation of roasting of cocoa bean, breaking the cocoa beans and removing dust kernels, dust and particle, and further grinding to a liquid paste. Cocoa bean roasting is done at 135 degrees Celsius, where beans are roasted, and once roasted beans are broken, winnowed. Then they are grinded at 50 degrees Celsius in all milk machine, and then cocoa bean is liquefied. When grinded with heating, it is called as cocoa mass. In quantity of milk chocolate, 15 kilograms of cocoa mass, 15 kilograms of milk powder, 14 kilograms of sugar, and 22 kilograms of cocoa butter is added. For white chocolate, 30 kilograms cocoa butter, 48 kilograms sugar, 22 kilograms milk powder are the three ingredients. Dark chocolate is added with 34 kilograms of cocoa mass, 48 kilograms of sugar, 22 kilograms of milk powder, and cocoa butter 30 kilograms. After 24 hours of conching, the chocolate is transferred to a melting tank and then kept at 50 degrees Celsius in liquid form milk. Dark and white chocolates are kept separate and then molded into shapes and sizes with nuts and flavors to consumers' choices.
തേയില തുടണ്ടാണോ കേട്ടോ, തുടല്ലേ.
After the drink process, we send the leaves to the cutting and pressing machine. After cutting and pressing, send the leaves to the conveyor belt and it goes to the conveyor drum. Afterwards, we send the leaves to the shifting machines and send to grading machine. After grading, it goes under process 100 degree Celsius drying process. Afterwards, we are adding flavors, masala, ginger, cardamom type of flavors. Then packing.
Welcome to Benchmark Tea Factory. The tea leaves at Benchmark Tea Estates are plucked and manufactured with utmost care, and best quality standards are being maintained. We take the pleasure in explaining about the tea manufacturing process with all details. Tea is an aromatic beverage that is most widely consumed after water by mankind. We explain in this process about the varieties of tea which is made from one single bush called as Camellia sinensis. The types of tea are black tea, CTC and orthodox, green tea, oolong tea, white tea. At Benchmark, we have 3 sophisticated manufacturing units where quality tea is manufactured with utmost care and guidance by the master tea makers. At Benchmark Ooty, we produce green tea, oolong tea and CTC tea. Benchmark Pera, we produce CTC black tea. Benchmark Kunnur, we produce black orthodox tea. Tea is a noble herb and a liquid wisdom that contains polyphenols, amino acids, enzymes, pigments, carbohydrates, minerals and volatiles. And the botanical name of this herb is called Camellia sinensis. Orthodox tea. The tea leaves were commercially manufactured in India in the year 1830. Since 1830, the Orthodox tea met huge demands by the manufacturers in export sales. In Orthodox tea manufacture, the green leaf is withered. Withering process is the removal of water content from the green tea leaves and then sent into the rollers where the leaves are crushed. Post-crushing, the rolled and unrolled tea leaves are separated that are called as first fine and second fine. After the rolling process, the tea leaves are placed on the ceramic tiles for fermentation. During the fermentation process, the color, flavor, liquor and taste is enhanced due to the activation of enzymes. Further, fermentation process takes place for 90 minutes at room temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Then, the tea leaves are dried at 110 degrees Celsius and sent to the fiber extractor that works on static electricity where the fiber and stalks are removed. Following the fiber extractor process, the leaves are sorted into shapes and sizes accordingly. CTC black tea. This tea came into existence after the year 1930 and was first started in Assam. The tea became popular throughout all the tea growing company states shortly. CTC means crush, tear and curl. First process in CTC tea manufacture is the withering. Post-withering, the tea leaves are sent into rotor-ran for crushing and further passed into 5 cut machines between 2 high-speed stainless steel sharpened rollers, and finally crushed leaves are sent into the fermentation drum where shapes are formed, and at CSM the tea is oxidized. The tea leaves are oxidized or fermented according to the room temperature, and after fermentation it is dried at 135 degrees Celsius. Once the leaves are dried, it is sent into fiber mat where the fiber and flaky tea is sorted through static electricity and further sorted to its shapes and sizes. Finally, they are packed into an airtight container to maintain the goodness of the tea. Green tea processing. Green tea is often referred to as unoxidized tea. The initial step of green tea manufacture is activating the enzymes of the plucked green leaf through steaming, which applies slight heat to the tea leaf, controlling oxidation process. The second process is the green leaf being crushed and dried as it gains high moisture content in the process. The tea leaves are rolled twice and dried twice, post which the stalk and flaky tea leaves are removed and packed. If you're a health or fitness enthusiast, green tea will be a great gift to you as it contains a catechin called epigallocatechin, EGCG, which is a natural antioxidant that helps in preventing cell damage and have other benefits. These substances can reduce the formation of free radicals in the body that protects cells and molecules. oolong tea. Oolong tea manufacture is withering, and then the leaves are steamed by passing light heat. Post-steaming, the tea leaves are rolled, fermented and dried at 110 degrees Celsius. If you would like green tea to taste bitter, the apt option, you can go for oolong tea, which gives a typical floral taste that contains partial goodness of green tea. White tea. The young levels with fine white hair are called as white tea. These are unfolded leaves from the newest growth of tea leaf in a plant. White tea is the minimally oxidized variety of tea and contains less caffeine compared to the other varieties. It was only the emperor's drink in China because of its delicate, rare and beautiful aroma. White tea is plucked and sun-dried with utmost care and passion. It contains a higher number of antioxidants. However, the green tea proves its superiority with regards to health benefits.
ഈ ചോക്ലേറ്റും ടീയും ഇതെല്ലാം കണ്ടു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് വാങ്ങിക്കാനുള്ള അവസരവും ഇവരുണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവരെല്ലാ വെറൈറ്റി ചോക്ലേറ്റും ഡാർക്ക് ചോക്ലേറ്റ് മുതൽ മിൽക്ക് ചോക്ലേറ്റ് മുതൽ എല്ലാ സാധനങ്ങളും അവൈലബിൾ ആണ് ഇവിടെ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ മേടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു സാദാ ടീ, ഇത് സാദാ ടീ, ഇത് ജിഞ്ചർ ടീ, ഇത് ചോക്ലേറ്റ് ടീ, ഇത് മസാല ടീ, ഇത് ഗ്രീൻ ടീ. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ടീയുടെ വെറൈറ്റീസ്. വേറെ ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ, ഇഷ്ടംപോലെ വെറൈറ്റീസ് ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ബെഞ്ച് മാർക്ക് ടീ ഫാക്ടറിയിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്ന കാഴ്ചകൾ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് കേട്ടോ.